In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to copy a page into another project in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva, and when you do that, you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, assuming you're in the home dashboard, you want to look over to the left-hand column and click on projects. And when you do this, you will see all of your current projects. You'll see a recent section. You'll see a folders section as well as designs. Once you find the page that you would like to duplicate into the other project, open the project where that page is. So we have it available in one tab. Now, once it's open, go back to the previous project section and select the projects that you would like to duplicate that page into. So when you do this, you will now have two tabs with two separate projects. So what you want to do is go to your first project. Now, I want to duplicate this page into this project here. So what you want to do is look to the bottom right corner and you'll see a grid icon, 4 little squares. This is called a grid view. Click on those and now you will have all of your pages visible side by side. Hover over the page that you would like to duplicate and click on the 3 dots that appear. Come down and select the first out of the many options that appear, which is copy. Once you've done that, go to your second project that you'd like to paste the page into. And just like with the first one, look over to the bottom right corner and click on the 4 little squares to go into the grid view. And once we are in the grid view, you will see all of the current pages of this project. Now, there are 2 ways to go about this. You can either manually paste the page in, or you can, if you're on Windows, click Control V on your keyboard to paste it. And if you're on a Mac OS device, as I am, then you can simply click Command and V and the page will be pasted into this new project. And to reorganize it, you can simply click and drag to move it around and reorganize its position. So once you find a position you're happy with, drop it in there and you can come back down to the bottom right corner and click on the grid view to leave that view, and you'll find your page added into this new project. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found yourself struggling at any point along the way, please feel free to share your issue and leave any hurdles that you came across in the comments section below.